Good morning, good morning. Beautiful day today. We are not stump grinding today. Today we have a customer we did a job for, and she's got a bunch of overgrowth in her backyard that she's wanting to clear up and try to give her some more space in her yard. So I'm gonna do a small mulching job today. So if any of y'all got any small mulching jobs you need, you can give us a call. We do that as well. It's really overgrown stuff back here. We're gonna see if we can clean it up for her. She's got several junk trees she wants taken out and cut up, and said that she'll haul them off if I get them cut up. So we're gonna try to clean this up and give her a bigger backyard. Got a well house back there hidden behind the overgrowth. We're gonna save any good shrubs she has, just taking out all the junk. It goes all the way around the back of her property. Even got a few clothesline posts in here we got to pull up. And there's an old concrete bench in here somewhere we got to dig out, get out of there. That ought to be a good day's work. So if y'all have anything like this, give us a call. We'll check back in with y'all in a little bit and see how we're coming along. Thank you. Here we are, just finishing up. It got a little hot out here today, but we got it done. Some of these bushes were 15 foot tall. Took a little doing, but see how tall they are back there in the background. That's what we were grinding. So, couldn't quite get to everything. She had some trees down. Got us to do it the best we could. Pretty tight spots to get in. That's where that mini skid comes in handy. Big mulcher couldn't get in here and do this. So if you got some tight spots, we can get in there and help you out. Gave her a good bit more yard to work with. Found a concrete patio back here, buried amongst the trees. But if y'all need any mulching done, give us a call. We can get in spots that the big mulchers can't. And we don't have to charge the $2,500 going rate of the big mulcher. So if you need some small mulching done, give us a call. Thank you.